Hello guys. This morning, remember, I had to go do my hair and Taz had to get a haircut. Look at the difference now, huh? Look at my baby. Tazizi. Look at them. Say hello. Say I took all my hair off. And mommy did her hair too. We both had our hair done. Look at this. Yes. Oh, look at this. Nice, right? That's right. So me and Tazi, we both had our hair done. Taz had his hair cut. And me, I had them twisted. Yes. It's my dreads. Nice. Oh, moun yo, bonsoir, bonsoir. Soti m'ennuye jodi a, men basan m gavin sou Facebook jodi a. M'oblige relaxing. Mwen ete la, mabou relax avek baby. Gopon? Gonjou pou sa. Bien sûr, avant de dormir, je vais sur Facebook, moi, ça nous mettait l'autre bois. Okay, guys. Here we go. We had our hair done. Here's my Tazi. Say hello, Tazi. Give me a kiss. He's not going to kiss me, so what? Give me a kiss. Okay, bye, guys. See you.